Gentlemen, it's cricket season, and the Beard Gang is back with the new Xiaomi Grooming Kit. Just like a top T20 team, we've assembled a set of tools that helps you groom from head to toe. Gone are the days when a single blade was good enough for the whole pitch. We mean the whole body. This is the age of specialists. U-shaped blades are your openers to start with your beard. Next come the precision blades to achieve clean cuts and sharp lines. Then the body grooming head power players for the tricky parts of your body, gentle on skin, tough on hair. And finally, the finishers of precision for your nose and ears. The Xiaomi Grooming Kit is a real all-rounder, equipped with an LED indicator, washable attachments, a safety lock and travel pouch that are both travel and kid-friendly. And its USB Type-C port charges super fast. Just 5 minutes of charging gets you 10-minute runtime. A full charge lasts you up to 4 weeks. So get your grooming game on point with the new Xiaomi Grooming Kit.